another girl, Dad. I really think this is the one. Her name's Lois. That's her right there. Murphy stole Grandpa's car.
Into the woods, it's time to go. It may be all in vain, I know. Into the woods, but even so, I have to take the journey.
Into the woods, the path is straight, you know it well.
But who can tell?
Into the woods to lift the spell. Into the woods to visit Mother.
Into the woods to sell the cow.
Te voy a sacar hasta el último centavo, hasta la última propiedad que tu hijo puso a tu nombre para evadir al fisco, va a ser mía. Estamos casados, legalmente casados. Voy a dedicar mis días a acostarme con cada persona que me tire un mínimo de onda.
Andrew, what are you doing, man? I'll cue you.
The potion.
To see, to sell, to get, to bring, to make, to live, to go to the